Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this system of equations using substitution. So remember, a system of equations is where you have a curly bracket right here and then you have a couple of equations in there. Our goal is to find an ordered pair, so we're trying to find an x number and a y number that makes that equation, or makes both of the equations balanced. So that's our goal, and one of the ways we're going to do that is with substitution. Remember that substitution is kind of like in a soccer game. Somebody's got to come out, so someone's going to go back in. Now, if I'm looking at this example right here, I see that y is 2x. In other words, I can imagine that y, the letter y, and the value 2x is exactly the same. So if I have an equation down here, one thing I can do is, because I know that y and 2x are the same, I could actually take out this y here, and I'm going to put a 2x in its place. Now, usually, if there's a coefficient like you see right here, I'm going to use parentheses to make this easier. Now, that's probably a little confusing. Let me rewrite this bottom equation, kind of showing what I mean. So I'm going to write x plus 3, and in parentheses, I'm going to put the 2x equals negative 14. Now, we're going to simplify this down. 3 times 2x is 6x. We still have the x plus in front, and we still have the equals negative 14 in the back. So now the next thing that we got to do is we need to combine like terms. In my class, we often talk about mom and dad either being in the same room or in different rooms. In this example, mom and dad are in the same room. So we're just going to bring them together in harmony. And then x plus 6x is a 7x equals negative 14. Let me bring the screen down just a little bit. Our final step will be to divide both sides by 7, and we could see that x equals negative 2. So that's half of our answer. We can actually go ahead and put a negative 2 in the x spot right here. Now, with that said and done, we're still looking for our y number, and there's a couple of ways to do that. We can substitute, since we know that x is negative 2. I could either put a negative 2 here in this x spot, or I could put a negative 2 here in this x spot. I feel like this top one's going to be a lot easier, so let's do that. Y equals 2 times negative 2, which means that y equals negative 4, and that's going to be our final answer right there. I hope this video is a good hint for you as you're trying to solve your question.